Hello, I'm Liam Casey. You might not remember it, but you don't have to. Let's segue from that nostalgia critic reference into Rubik's Cubes with a hell yes, sparkle, sparkle, sparkle.
Wait, can I show them my collection as of right now?
Oh yeah, you remember the Lost Puzzles, right?
Wait, I want to show. So, this is my Rubik's Cube
Bright light.
collection right now. Liam gave me a load, and I learned how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube.
Yeah.
So, first of all...
Not just the 2x2, but two 2x2s.
We'll get to that in a second. So...
I'm rubbing off on you already. Alright, back to this. They already saw the super floppy.
So this is like a 3x3x1 sort of.
Yeah, made by Lan. They, nice company, got that off the cubicle.
Okay.
Well, it's a pun.
So then, this is the 3x3 I have. Don't know how to solve it, but I just learned how to solve the 2x2, so I should probably wait a while to learn how to solve this. It's just...
made by those mysterious Greenbrier peoples. This is one of the ones my cousin sent to me.
Liam, your head's bleeding.
No, that's not. It's just a scab.
Then 3x3 by 2.
Hold it down here.
No, 3x3 by 2.
Yeah.
That was a good
The Domino Cube, also by Lan.
Then the only Rubik's Cube here.
And the one that got me into cubing.
And got me into cubing. Well, suppose, okay.
The Rubik's 2x2. New version with tiles.
So, yeah, that's pretty cool.
Here's a useless tidbit trivia. I'm fairly sure many of my viewers over in the Middle East have heard of the McArabia that McDonald's makes. It's a nice fold-over type sandwich. Well, it actually began life a bit further to the west, but not that far. It was originally called the Greek Mac. And it does kind of look like a gyro.
So,
now, segueing on that tangent, Keen.
wait, so this one isn't solved
wait.
right now because I didn't...
Keen, down here. Those ones is pointing here.
Because I didn't finish solving it.
And you want to solve it quickly?
Sure.
No. Oh, you're good.
Yeah. I have everything written down in here, so I'm just going to start over. So, just... Anyway, you get the point.
Yeah, don't worry, Keen.
I messed up, because...
Segueing from that Greek tangent, Keen.
So, that's
Down
the end.
here.
So, that's the end of the video, so I hope you...
No,
I know, I'm just kidding. So, a long, long time ago...
just get on with it.
Okay, well, sorry, Liam. So, you may remember, a long time ago, Liam made a video. The sound quality on his phone wasn't the greatest. So, he wanted to make a remake of... So, a re-review of that video, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. You know what I'm trying to say. But then, he couldn't find it for the life of him.
Can we just get on with it?
But then, he was cleaning out our room, and he found it.
No, Mom found it.
Oh, our mom found it, and he gave it to me as he promised.
Well, it never be said I'm not a man of my word.
So, this cube's actually solved. By yours truly.
Just, let's give you a review.
Okay, let's see.
So
Sorry.
So the whole V-cube lineage, it's basically just nice turning quality. It's a different mechanism that allows up to, I think, 11 by 11. Just for comparison, here it is next to my unsolved V-cube 4.
Do you know how to solve that one?
With help, yes.
As
This, on the other hand, scramble.
eggs.
No.
After this, can I try solving
Alright.
the cube again? Because I can solve it. Ask Liam. I promise. I swear on my life. I have it all written down right there.
Yeah, King.
Okay, sorry. And Liam can solve it within the span of 3 seconds. Maybe not that quick, but like 10 seconds or so. He solves it differently than me, though, I think. I use a different method. If I tried to go as fast as, like, the really fast cubers on YouTube, I'd probably break one of my cubes. It's just because it would get stuck on a load of things. Now, I'm going to try and solve it. Since you solved this, no, it's a review of this one.
Yeah.
So.
Down here. Yeah.
Okay, so, Wayne, you mind scrambling that? Just so you know I'm not cheating, I'll close my eyes too.
Okay, they can see you. I think that's a good scramble.
Okay. So, some algorithm... I memorized 2 algorithms off my head. Well, kind of 3. Yeah, kind of 3. Okay. Okay. Then.
Nice job, King. right at the 10-minute mark.
Sweet.
So,
So, yeah.
so nice that I finally got that revisited.
Tomorrow we'll do a video, or someday, or one of these days we'll do a video of him solving the V cube 4 off memory. Once he learns it off memory.
Maybe. If the stars align and somehow I gain the ability to use 100% of my brain power.
Well, if you practice...
Till then, have a nice day.